Rob, you want to remind them what we're doing here?
Sure. Don't do that.
Hello and welcome back to the channel Think, Build, Test. I know a lot of you are wondering what happened to that trailer that Matt's Off-Road Recovery helped us fix. And what did we do to improve it so that we wouldn't have that happen again? We have big enough washer. Where's the washer at? Here, go ahead.
Broken again. We did a beautiful weld, but right now it's tough. So we are needing some re-engineering, so we're going back to the strap.
I feel a redesign coming in. Do you, Rob?
I do.
Well guys, here we are back at the metal yard. So we're finally gonna get that fix on trailer 1.0, the trailer fender fail that Matt's Off-Road Recovery saved us on. So we didn't need very much today. We're about to see how much the price of this metal increase is gonna sting, but here we are. We got ourselves some 3-inch channel like on the 2.0 build and a little more expanded metal. We're gonna extend the front of 1.0 and we'll see how it works. We'll see y'all back at the shop. We took a trip and we lost not just one fender, but 2 fenders.
They started wobbling, catching the wind, so we had to rip them off, make sure they didn't fly off on their own. Go watch it, it's good.
So anyway, we got Rob back in the shop today.
It's good to be back. It's been a while. Just been busy.
Okay, so this was our first version trailer built in September of 2017. We built this for Rob's 4-seat RZR right after he bought it. And so when we first designed this, we thought that we needed it to flip up, and we thought that we didn't want anything in the front here because we thought that that would maybe make it too hard to lift up. But if you look at our 2.0 version, you'll see that we were able to put something in front here and it worked. It actually worked better. So we're gonna try and modify his trailer. Because we didn't have anything in front, these were styled like this with this brace so there wouldn't be anything to bump in the front. So we're gonna find a way to go ahead and build a front end to his trailer, and then in the process making it a lot more like the 2.0 trailer. So this is what we're going to try and replicate. The 2.0 trailer has a front bar that comes across here, and the fender is welded up to the front. Now, it was designed that way from the beginning, so it really was a lot easier to build the whole frame and stuff with the front end. So we're going to have to modify stuff for Rob's to be able to work this way, but this is basically what we're going to try and do, is get it where it comes down and the air won't scoop the front of it, and we'll have solid mounting here and solid mounting here.
I'm ready for 2.5 for mine so that 3.0 can come about.
Oh, we didn't get you the wheels and stuff. Okay, so when we originally set these fenders up, we put 2x4s all around the tire to give us our equal gapping. So we're gonna be able to just take 2x4s again in the front here and the front there, and that'll give us our distance we need for that front beam. And guess what? It gave us our magic 14-inch dimension back again. So we're good to go with 14 inches from the front of that bar. So what we did is we went ahead and made this more like the version 2 trailer, and we added a front section all the way to here. That way we could attach the front of the fender to be more like a traditional style trailer fender. So now we don't catch the air, we have a lot more solid support, and we've also added more surface area that we can weld on. We're able to, with this front bumper, to be able to get and weld all the way around here and around the seams. On the back, we've added some extra gussets to keep it from being able to rip all the way through. If a rip starts, it'll get stuck on that gusset and won't be able to continue on, and it'll give us a chance to get it back to the shop and repair it. If you've been following our channel, I encourage you to go check out other videos and see what this used to look like. Our first 2 videos on the channel will show you what this trailer used to look like, and then we have a whole entire series where we did a version 2 trailer to address all the issues that version 1 had. Our version 2 trailer is now in production, so you can see our video where we've met the manufacturer of the trailer and see some of the improvements he's done. But just like everything else on this channel, we just can't leave well enough alone, and we've got to keep on improving and making things better. So let's talk about some improvements that we did to this trailer over version 2. The manufacturer, on his video, we showed you that he added some extra supports for these rollers. After using these, we've kind of decided that we don't like it with these wheels staying on the trailer while we're driving, because it wears these bearings out being on here sideways. So now we've devised a way to be able to just kind of leave the wheels where you're going to store it. And if you're going to go and store it where you're going, you can just take the wheels with you separately. It's not that big of a deal. So let me show you how quickly these things are to remove. You just pull a pin like our old style on version 2. And now the whole axle goes with you. So you can just take this, set it to the side where you store your trailer, and it'll be ready to go when you come back. Now all that we have that goes with the trailer while we're traveling is a pipe on the inside that isn't in the way on the top or the bottom. No place for people to gouge their legs or get caught and bent if you were to bump the trailer on the ground. If you've never seen this before, you might be wondering, why do we need these wheels? Well, you can check out more on our other videos, but just real quickly, we're able to stand this trailer up and roll it through a gate or a door and be able to get this maybe in between 2 cars in your garage, and it'll self-support itself. Some of the differences between the version 1 and the version 2 trailer is the version 1, we put our connecting bar on the bottom. And version 2, we put it on the top because it made it easier for us to see and align the holes and not to struggle with the bar. Well, now, with this version 3 concept, we can go back underneath the trailer and we'll use a forklift type design to counter lift and pick up the bar and align the pins all in one section. Check this out. If you'd like to see how Razor even loads on to these crazy looking trailers with the sliding front bar, Then we've got whole entire video series with loads, and we have footage of us taking 2,000-mile trips. The content's all there on our channel. But this channel isn't just about trailers. This channel is about being a catalyst for new ideas, new thought processes, new inventions. And so if you're the type of person who likes to think up things outside the box and is just always wanting to make things better yourself, then stick around and just see if there's something that you can take from us that we can give to you, and it'll just help spur new thoughts and ideas in your own life and your own business. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.
Today is the day I'm making a change.